kids. Hey, Remi, look at Leo. He's playing with shapes and having so much fun. He sure is, Mimi. Leo, what shape are you holding there? That's a triangle, Leo. It has 3 pointy corners and 3 straight sides. Exactly, just like a slice of pizza. Hey! Yum! Let's show Leo more shapes today, shall we? Are you ready for a shape-tastic adventure, Leo? Wow! We're going to talk about shapes. Hey! Circles, squares, triangles, and so many more. Hey! Shapes are everywhere. In toys, in food, in buildings, even in cookies. And we'll have some laughs, some claps, and lots of learning fun. So let's jump right in, Shape Explorers. Let's go! Mimi, what's your favorite shape? I think we'll start with the triangle. It has 3 pointy corners and 3 straight sides. Like a slice of pizza. Yum! And road signs, too. Or party hats. Triangles are sharp and cool. And if you turn it upside down, it looks like a mountain. Or a wizard's beard. Shapes are fun, they're all around, in every place and every sound. Big or small, tall or wide, shapes are everywhere we hide. Bye-bye for now. Keep dancing and keep learning.